using Bing Maps to determine square footage and area. Again, this method is similar to Google Maps. It's readily available online, it's simple to use, it has an extensive location catalog. It also has the same limitations, where you're going to be limited to only doing one area at a time, and you can't combine multiple captures automatically to give you numerical totals of the area and space that you're working with. Even so, I still believe that between Google Maps and Bing Maps, Bing is the superior product based on ease of use, the visually active ruler, and how refined the tooling is. It's just easier for me to navigate the screen and get my calculations with this product. Let's take a look in the walkthrough. Go to bing.com/maps and select a place of interest. For us, it's going to be the Kansas Governor's Mansion. And you want to select the aerial view and arrange it and zoom it so that you maximize the area that you want to map out, either with the app or the browser zoom, or a combination of both. Once you have a starting point defined for the area, right-click and select Measure Distance. And once you do, you'll see in the information pane, it gives you statistics about the distance that you've covered. Left-click the perimeter point in succession. As you go around, you may make a mistake. If you do, just hover over the point that you made a mistake with. It'll turn gray. Right-click it and it'll disappear. And then you can continue on mapping the area out and make your way around the perimeter, making sure to finish with the point you started with, and click Done and close shape. And the statistics for the area that you mapped will be in the information pane. Good luck on your next project, and thanks for watching.